yourself and tell me who. Say my name, say my name, say my name is around you. Baby, I love you. Say my name, say my name. Kinda shady, ain't calling me baby.
Good morning, you guys. This was supposed to be Isaiah's last day of school, and on the district calendar it literally says this is the last day of school, and I guess they just changed it whenever they want to. So now the last day of school is tomorrow, and I am tired. I'm so tired, y'all. I'm tired. There's nothing in there left for him to take for lunch. I'm tired of getting up, making sure he's decent, just not throwing anything on. Y'all, I'm just tired. I don't know why I just told y'all any of that, but yeah, anyways. But y'all, I bought a new wig from Amazon. I was looking for something very specific. I wanted a basic, everyday, don't have to think about it, no curly, none of that kind of stuff, whatever. I was definitely going for a body wave, but I think this is just straight. And I tried to get the longest length for my budget because I had a budget with this. My main thing though, more than anything, I was looking for a certain type of lace. So one, I wanted something, I knew my keywords were going to be HD. So I knew more than anything I was looking for HD, but I was also looking for SKINLIKE. This is the one that I end up getting. So there's another one on Amazon called Bios, and I'm gonna show y'all right here. I purchased 2 of these with my own money. One of them I completely ruined, like didn't even wear it. We don't even want to talk about it. I ruined one of them, and then the other one I wore for the longest time, and I actually don't even know where it is because there was nothing wrong with it. I just keep switching my wig so much. I was gonna go and get the Bios one again, but I was like, you know what? I tried them. I know I like them. I know I would buy again from them, which I'm probably going to sometime in July or whatever. But I was like, let me try this new brand. So this is from Nissan, something like that. And it's like 0.1 as far as the thickness of the lace. And you can just tell if a lace is going to be good by how flexible it is. That's my #1 indicator. This is not the thinnest I've felt or I've had, but there's like one other company, just one other company that I feel like is either like this or has had lace like the thinnest I've ever seen, and that is XRS. Their wigs, their lace is that crystal clear lace. That is amazing lace. That is amazing. But let's go back to this one. This one is like a close second. This is exactly what I was looking for. The thinnest lace that I can find on Amazon for a decent price. I already plucked it a bit. I want to go in and pluck it a lot more, just to make it look a lot more natural. And then I bleached the knots. It does, I believe this did say it came with pre-bleached knots, but no. Prepare to bleach the knots yourself. I also need to pick up another blue shampoo. Blue shampoo is going to get rid of this orange. I used to use purple a lot, and then I switched to blue, leaving it on there. It makes it look so much better. It's just that I haven't bleached anything since we moved, and I threw my other one away because it was leaking. It was a mess. So yeah, so I'm gonna put the blue shampoo that I use to help get rid of this orange on this wig, because that is just such a I feel like that orange tint says I'm wearing a wig more than the lace says I'm wearing a wig. Y'all know what I'm saying? I cannot stand it. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and apply this. I really want to talk to you guys about the lace, because this can really make or break your look. It's gonna make or break your look, your style, just everything. Your lace is the most important thing over the hair. I guess for me it is. It's the most important thing over the hair itself. Of course you want the hair to be good. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying, #1, I'm looking at the lace, and then I'll look at the hair and all that kind of stuff, whatever. So another thing, this is a 13 by 6, so I'm gonna get a lot more parting space here. So if you like to do a deeper part like I do, this is gonna be for you as well. And I've already tried it on, like I said, already started to pluck. I'm gonna pluck a lot more. So this is another huge plus for me. Lace, and then making sure it fits my head properly is huge, and it's not too small. This one actually fits all the way. Yeah, I'm really just trying to talk to you guys, make sure I got everything. Let's talk about longevity real fast. 9 times out of 10, I'm letting my wigs air dry. If I don't have to put heat on them, I won't. I'm just trying to, you know, just the longevity of the wig is important to me. And I do this with all my wigs. Because y'all seen me put on wigs before, I really wanted to just talk to you guys about them. Yeah, I think that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. So another tip, this side is actually not as bad as how this side was. I didn't record it because I don't know. I just was going through the motions and putting my wig on and I forgot. So alcohol will be your best friend. I feel like not a lot of people talk about the wonders of alcohol when it comes to a wig. It's just as important as using a hot comb by your part to get your hair nice and flat. This corrects all of your mistakes and stops you from having so much product, like for me, having so much hairspray on my hairline, just making it look crusty. This is going to fix all of that without you taking your wig off. I really wish I'd have showed y'all this side because this side was a mess. I put way too much hairspray, so I went in a couple times and poured a good amount of my alcohol on my little towel right here, and I first just wipe my whole head. Wipe whatever you need to wipe, get the residue off that didn't trickle onto your forehead, all that kind of stuff. Next, if you see a lot of white spots or your hair is not, your hair should be up. It should be movable, right? Like this is. This side over here is not my hairline. This side is just full of hairspray. You don't want to leave it like that. This is how you want to end up. This is what's going to give you the most natural, try and figure out natural look. If my wig does not, my edges, the hairline is not coming off, I'm talking about all those little hairs like this, if it's not flowy and all that kind of stuff, I don't move on. I don't lay any edges. I don't do anything like that. Because it's just gonna come out looking crusty and a mess, and we don't want that, okay? I've got my soaked alcohol thing. I've wiped my face. Next, take it really lightly, and I'm telling y'all, this is a game changer. Make sure you have your blow dryer like right by you. Go ahead and cut it on if you feel the need to, but you're going to take this in the hair. Like, take it and go backwards by your hairline. And you may be like, oh my gosh, the alcohol is gonna have the hairspray come up. It might loosen it up depending on how hard you're going. Don't go too hard. I really just stay close to the hairline and then go in with your blow dryer. Quick blow dry, that's it. If my hairline isn't flexible like this where I can just keep plucking, because I'm gonna go back in and pluck. You can't pluck when your hair is all crusty and stuff like over here. All right, y'all, so this is it. I finished with my meltdown routine, lace routine, whatever you want to call it. If my hair does not look like this, I don't move on to the next step, basically. Yeah, this is as good as it's gonna get. I've been plucking, but I have not. I plucked yesterday. I try not to over pluck because I do want this to last. And whenever I put the wig on again, like whenever I do a new install, I'm always plucking hair. So I don't want the front to go bald, you know, right when I got it. I just got this thing. Now from here, you can go ahead and mold your hair, do your edges however you want to. I'm gonna show you guys my final look with this hair. So I think I'm gonna take myself out because somebody won't skip work and come hang out with me. All right, let me finish this up and then I'll come back and show you guys.